How to fix iPhone not vibrating, not working. It can be caused by so many issues, so we have to check one by one. Section 1. Check vibration pattern. First, we have to adjust basic vibration settings. In your settings, go to the Sounds and Haptics. Here look for the ringtone, tap on it. Now click on Haptics. Here choose a pattern other than None. Note, choosing None disables vibration, which is a common issue. If this can't fix your issue, then try Section 2. Advanced Settings Adjustments. In Advanced Settings also, we have two settings. First, enable vibration in accessibility. Open Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, click on the Accessibility. Then choose the Touch option. Ensure the vibration toggle is enabled. Why? Disabling vibration here turns off all vibrations on the iPhone. Second, disable Do Not Disturb and Focus mode. Swipe down to open the control center, and make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is not active, as these can mute vibration. Why? When active, Do Not Disturb or Focus can prevent vibration notifications. Still, these advanced settings can't resolve your issue. Then, you have to go with Section 3, Additional Software Fixes. In this, we have 3 steps to check majorly. Number 1, update iOS. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Go to the General option. Then, select Software Update and install the latest iOS version if available. Why? Software updates often fix bugs that may cause vibration issues. Next, restart your iPhone. Go to the Control Center and turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds and power it back on. Why? A restart can reset minor system glitches that may impact vibration. Next, reset all settings. Caution: back up your device first, as this will reset preferences across your iPhone. Go to Settings. In this, click on the General. Then, scroll down, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete data, but resets system settings. Section 4. Check for hardware issues. Remove magnetic or heavy cases. Sometimes magnetic or bulky cases interfere with the vibration motor. Try removing any case and test vibration again. If vibration still doesn't work after all steps, it could indicate an internal hardware issue. Make an appointment at the Apple Store for further inspection. And that's it.